Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Android voice recordings to Google Drive, beginner guide step by step clearly. To backup your Android voice recordings to Google Drive, start by unlocking your Android device. Locate and open the File Manager app on your phone. If your device does not have a file manager, download one from the Google Play Store. Navigate to the folder where your voice recordings are stored. Typically, these recordings can be found in the voice recorder or audio folder. Once you find your recordings, select the files you want to backup. You can usually do this by long pressing on a file until a checkmark appears. After selecting the files, look for the share icon or option, usually represented by three dots connected by lines. Tap on the share option. From the sharing options, select Google Drive. You may need to sign in to your Google account if you're not already signed in. Choose the folder in Google Drive where you want to store your recordings. If needed, create a new folder by tapping New Folder or the plus icon. Once you have selected or created a folder, tap Upload or the checkmark icon to begin the upload process. Wait for the upload to finish. The time taken will depend on your file size and internet speed. Once the upload is complete, navigate to the Google Drive app to confirm that your recordings are backed up. Open the Google Drive app from your home screen or app drawer. Locate the folder where you saved your recordings. Tap on the folder to view your uploaded voice recordings. Your voice recordings are now safely backed up to Google Drive and can be accessed from any device with internet connectivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.